Hello guys, what's up? In this video I'm trying to make it shorter than the previous one, so I will be talking faster, we'll make it with greater power and well, let's go to the beginning. I chose Polis as the cryptocurrency that I will be talking about today. Why? Because the latest video was about something unusual, something connected with gambling business and betting business. The first one from that series, was about art. So now I chose a typical normal currency that is all about trading money. So without further ado, let's go to Polis. So we are on CoinMarketCap, and as we can see, it's about 600 place. So not so far as the first one that I chose. Here we are on its market cap about 3.5 billion million. That's the difference. Million, not billion. USD. Volume about about 1 Bitcoin per 21 hours. So it's really small. But it's rising. And we've got just about 20% of its actual supply that is currently circulating. So here we are Polish charts. So as we can see, its price is slightly stable right now. It had some peaks which were really nice, but of course that was the time when everything was going nice. So it's not actually that bad right now. Okay, markets. Here we can see markets. These are the only markets that you can actually trade or buy this currency. So Stacks is probably the best one from all of these. Bad news is that it's not on Binance, not on IDEX or any bigger kind of cryptocurrency stock exchange tools. So now we'll head up to the page website. We'll see how it's going. Polispain.org. So here we are now on a stock page. Polis empowers people. It looks like as a normal page where you can just scroll down whole information. Probably when I click trade Polis, it's going just in the same page, not making the another one. So what we've got here, I do not have any information on this currency. I know just the fact it's about financial trading. Oh, it changed. But okay, masternode block reward. So it's mineable. It's mineable, as we can see here. Coin mineable. That's nice to know that you have this kind of information on CoinMarketCap as well on the first page. So trade Polis on this exchange. As I said, these are the only exchanges that you can actually trade this one. View, sorry, Polis masternode stats. Okay, core wallet. You can download your own wallet, kind of normal thing. GitHub, paper wallets. Okay. Polis is Greek for community. That's the Greek words. As we've got Greek cities in the past. Blockchain technology, normal payment card, normal with your own wallet, masternodes, process transactions at high speed. Okay, so it's a normal currency that you can use instead of money while making transactions on the internet. Run by the community. As you can see, this one is actually slightly different because it has a team that develops this particular currency, but you as an owner of something, you can vote, you can participate in some kind of voting in order to have some control over it's not an ICO. So the members, when you buy it, you are a member, and then you have a big control of how it will develop. So that's a nice thing. Policy governance proposals. That's it. Time is money. Less than 1 second, so much more faster than Bitcoin. Similar to Ripple. No centrality, peer-to-peer, classic one. Roadmap. Let's go to roadmap. We'll have a chart probably, and it's always better. it's a part of the white paper? I think yes. So here we are now. Release white paper Windows wallets Polis trading. So it was a few months ago. Now we are launch Polis Pay globally partnership with GBX. Oh, that's actually nice. It's nice stock exchange. Polish core values. Payment gateways. Polish marketplace in the future. What we've got here? Launch payment gateways, social initiatives, big widespread democratic inputs, Polish brand's image. Okay, so some minor things are coming up. Having over block rewards, 2 points per block. So does it say that it will be mineable? Oh, it's halving. Okay, so it will alter the mining system. Promotion. Okay. Well, let's head up to the white paper. I'm not so impressed. It looks like a normal stock page that you can probably pay like $1,000 and get a newspaper, or sorry, not newspaper, white paper and a page like this. The previous ones had much better newspapers because they were included in some kinds of media like Wall Street Journal, etc. Abstract aims to change the world through consensus-based philanthropy. So it's probably Polis because of the community that can create and help in development. We had this before of the page. So that's what it's all about, the theme. Introduction. Let's go to the introduction. Polis uses decentralized governance. Decentralized governance is kind of new thing when we actually have some, you know, some hierarchy of CEO and presidents and the team that is taking over the power and the development of a particular platform. We'll never have ICO because it's available for by people founded as no premium. Bitcoin summarized. So that's I read this before, and there are two probably most vital informations that I noticed. So the first one is the fact that it refers to Dash. The Dash was yes, you have this there. I'm trying to show you. It tries to place the role of Dash as a new system, newer, maybe not so big, but with an aspiration to be something like Dash was, and never an ICO. These are the platforms on this. The blockchain. It's normal blockchain which you can mine, solving problems, lack of node incentivization system. Resulting in fewer nodes, the network needs to be so. These are the minor or maybe major improvements from the currencies that we have, like Dash, etc. That's simpler and faster. This happens in 90 or 80% or even 100% of new currencies that are coming up because they had more time to build and actually are built on a currently existing network. Masternode. So then we have a graph of it, how it works. Reward system. I like graphs. Tracy found it's 10% masternodes. So as you can see, the masternodes are the one that you can get by trading. Miners get only 18% of this. Reward calculation. The Polis code dictates the masternode rewards fluctuate based on the current number of masternodes. Okay, so the masternodes play the most important role. Then you have an equation how to make it. Polis broke rewards over 10 years, so it shows that the faster you get it, the better it will be. Lucky POW of work, proof of work, block rewards. Okay, so it's all made in order to buy it right now, as it always says. Oh, that's some technical information. I like this. 2 megabytes, not so bad. So really fast to get it. Masternode confirmation. So in order to get a masternode, you have to mine 15 blocks. which will take about half an hour. Governance minimum quorum. So you have to have this amount of money in order to take a part in development and research of this. I wonder how is it looking when you are actually trying to vote about it. Is there a forum or something? But that's, in these videos, I'm always looking for something new, something that is different from the things that we've seen before, that we saw before. And the fact that decentralized governance and there's no there is a strategy to make it like Greek community. It's nice. Yeah, maybe it looks like a bit scamming page made in stock bureau. How is it in English? Bureau office, but yeah. Here we have some members, of course, named by the Greek. I think that's lame, but lame news, lame names are always a part of this business. So this will be it for this video. What I can say about Polis. So as I said, the governance, the decentralized governance is a nice thing. The others are looking quite mediocre and well, it's currently a bit rising. Normal thing. So that was a normal video. Hope you guys enjoyed it and see you guys in the next video. I tried to make this one shorter. We will see how it be.